Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to check the health of your drives, whether you have an SSD or a traditional hard drive, using a free tool called CrystalDiskInfo. Let's dive in. First, let's get the tool. Open your web browser and type CrystalDiskInfo in the search bar. Click the first result from the official CrystalDisk World website. That is the developer's own site. Once the page loads, look for the Quick Download section. You will see a button labeled CDI. Go ahead and click that. This will redirect you to the SourceForge.net download page, and the download should start automatically after a few seconds. Once it is finished downloading, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. It is a straightforward installation with no surprises. Once installed, go ahead and launch CrystalDiskInfo. When CrystalDiskInfo opens, the first thing you will notice at the top of the window is a row of tabs, one for each drive detected in your system. On my machine, you can see I have two drives, my C drive and my D drive, which is a Hitachi 1 TB hard drive. Click through the tabs to switch between drives. Let's start with the SSD. The most important thing on this screen is the health status box on the left. It shows you a color-coded status and a percentage. My SSD is showing good at 89%. That blue Good badge means everything is within normal parameters and the drive is in solid condition. Right below that is the temperature. Mine is reading 33 degrees Celsius, which is perfectly normal for an NVMe drive under typical use. Anything below 50 degrees is generally considered healthy for this type of drive. On the right side of the screen, you will see a set of statistics that give you more detail about the drive's life. Let me walk you through the ones that actually matter. Total host reads and total host writes show you how much data has been read from and written to the drive over its lifetime. Power on hours tells you how many hours the drive has been running since it left the factory. My drive shows 1,405 hours, which is a relatively young drive. For reference, a drive running 8 hours a day would reach this figure in less than 6 months. No errors, no warnings, a clean bill of health. Now, let's click over to the D drive tab, and this is where things get more interesting. You will immediately notice that the health status badge on this drive is yellow and says Caution, not the blue Good we saw before. This is a real warning on my own storage drive, and it is a perfect example of exactly what this tool is designed to catch. This drive is a Hitachi 1 TB hard disk drive, a traditional spinning drive. A few things stand out straight away. The power on hours is 15,795 hours. That is nearly 2 years of continuous use. Now look at the Smart Attributes table and find attribute 05, Reallocated Sectors Count. You will see that this entry has a yellow dot next to it. The raw value shows 1, meaning the drive has detected one bad sector and moved the data. This is what triggered the Caution status. I want to be honest about what this actually means. One reallocated sector is not a disaster, but it is a warning sign that deserves your full attention. So, what should you actually do with this information? Let me give you some honest guidance. If your drive shows good, like my SSD, you are in great shape. Just run this check periodically. Once every few months is plenty. If your drive shows caution, like my hard drive, do not panic, but do take it seriously. The first thing you should do is make sure you have a current backup of everything important on that drive. Not because failure is imminent, but because you do not want to be caught without a backup if more issues follow. After backing up, keep monitoring it. If that number starts climbing, start planning to replace the drive immediately. If your drive shows bad, a red status, that means serious problems. Back up your data right now and replace it. Do not wait. If you ran the check on your own drives, drop a comment below and let me know your status. Stay passionate about tech, and I will see you in the next one.